Welcome to the Maxon Video Quick Tips. You may already be familiar with the snap settings in Cinema 4D, which can be accessed through the transformation tool, the scale tool and the rotation tool in the tab here. Right now we have point snapping enabled, which allows us to snap this sphere to the points of this plant. If you're in the middle of modeling, however, you may not want to access your transformation tools in order to change the snap settings. What you then can do is press P and go, for example, from point snapping to axis snapping. The sphere now snaps to the axis of this plant. For more information about Cinema 4D and other Maxon products, please visit maxon.net or cineversity.com.